Hi, today I am going to demonstrate how we can manage construction contracting project costing efficiently using the project BOQ construction contracting module. This module helps us prepare the bill of quantity, manage the revisions and track project cost from estimation to execution of the project. Let's see how it will work. Job project BOQ. Let's see here. We can create a new project BOQ. Like here we have the project name of the BOQ. We can give the silver tender costing project. Still we didn't create the project because the project we will create once there is the probability or we won the tender. So we can create later on. We have also here the job order, that also we can fill later. We can enter the customer details, like here I will enter the silver contracting company. You can enter the description also, tender to be submit. Here material, labor and overhead, we have already 3 tabs are available. From here we can use it the material, labor and overhead options. Now for this tender we can use already created templates which we already created under the configuration. So use template. We have different templates here like mechanical projects, plumbing project, water supply project, electrician project, electrical systems, mechanical systems. So you can use any of this project which is already any, you can utilize any of the template which is already available. Like here we have the plumbing system, electrical system, MEP system. Let's select the MEP system. You can add more multiple lines also and keep the existing line while you are utilizing the template. Create BOQ lines. It will automatically fetch all the BOQ lines related to the project. If it is project is related to the Havak product, we can just select here the template which is related to this product. You can remove also if some lines or some products are not match with your existing tender, as well as you can add the other materials also. Here we have already material, labor and overhead. The template is available. If we want, we can create the different, we can add the other details also here, other products also which is involved. Like here I will add one more. You can enter the overhead. Here is the transportation. If we have like installation services, cable installation worker or installation services unit, we can enter the cost also here. Like I will enter here 1000. We can enter here the different cost. 2 days 130. Same for the labor, we can enter the cost here. It will come from directly from the product if it is available. If it is not available on the product, you need to be entered manually. Like here I will add we have the material labor 16 hours. I will enter the okay materials. We can enter the cost here. Chillers, I will enter one by one all the cost which is available here. Okay, so here material, labor and overhead, these 3 costs are differentiate. You can see here clearly how this cost is affected. Now this BOQ will help you with all the bill of quantity. All quantities are mentioned here. You can enter the different quantity. Now you can see here we have already one more option available, labor quantity. If you don't want the labor will be adding as a hour wise, you need the flexible labor, like unit of measure will be in the unit if it is related to the subcontracting services. Just they have to deliver the labor and your work will be done by the subcontractor. In this case, it will be considered as a unit. So we have already flexibility here. Hourly base, you need the labor quantity option or generic, where you can select the any of the quantity. It's already available. Now, after generating the BOQ, if you need to send it to the internally to the manager, so you can send by email also, or you can send it to the customer also, the BOQ for the estimation. It totally depends on your requirement. Like here we have already available. Let me just add send by email. We have also BOQ template is available here. You can see all the details are already mentioned. So you can create internally also. You will be send it to the internally to the manager also or different department for the approval. You can enter under the two. External also, like here I will send it to the admin also. So you can enter the other internal staff for the approval and you can send it to the approval. I already sent. Here it is already saved under the chatter, all the details of the email. As well, there is the format of the BOQ available where you can add the signature BOQ approved by. Now, if you have the customer portal access, like here I have the customer portal access. Under the my account, we have available here BOQ orders, BOQ which already created for this customer. So it is available. As well, chatter option is available. They can sign and accept from the portal itself. So here the customer can sign and accept, and this signature is already saved on the backend. As well, when we create the quotation, let's see, now we have already signed here for the customer. Let me just refresh. Here it is already saved. We have the manager signature options also available, and manager can also upload their signature for the internal documentation purpose. So manager option you can also use it. Once it's done, we can also log internally, and then we can use the next option quotation to be create. Once it is done, we can also log it. No one can be update. Now we have option to create the quotation. We already created quotation from the button create quotation. Here once the quotation is created, it is also available for the customer on the portal to accept and sign. You can see here there is the signature available. Now for the all the line, it is combine of material, labor and overhead. You can add discount if required. On this stage, you can enter the other details, add notes or catalog. On this stage, you can review as well as you can send it for the internal approval and all details, and then you can submit to the customer. This is also available on the portal. If you have any addition or you have any deletion in the existing BOQ which is already submitted to the client or internally, so in this case you can create multiple revisions. You can just go to the BOQ, create a revision. It will create the revision very nicely, revision 1. So if I go to the original, I can go directly to the next revision, that is the revision 1. And if any revision of this revision 1, this is also possible. You can create the multiple revision of the revisions also. We have the option here, create revisions. So here another one revision is also generated. So when you go to the revision, you can see the next revision also, and you can see the previous revision also, and then when we review it. So original will keep as it is, and based on this original we have the multiple revisions also created, and whatever done by the or confirmed by the department manager or by the client, you can keep that revision and you can create the quotation based on that revision. You can log and then you can create the quotation. So the revision is working very nicely. You can try. When we go to the list view of the BOQ, we can see here there is the original is already available there, and then based on this original BOQ there is the revision is generated, next revision, and then you can see the revision of the revisions also.